State in lane 3. UC Santa Barbara's A crew is in 4, and Cal Berkeley lightweight crew is in lane number 5. And as we look at it, lane number 2, MIT appears to have the better of it with some open water back to the Shoreline crew, which would be Victoria. Then checking farther outside, Santa Barbara, and then Cal, and currently Sacramento State is trailing. Wind has picked up, obviously, as you can see from the flags along the course line, and that does create a challenge along with the departing tide that is going out. So these crews kind of slugging it out here as we look at the dark shell and dark jersey crew in lane number 2. That is MIT. On the Shoreline side, Victoria is trying to pace them, and so far they've been unable to do so. On the outside, it's Santa Barbara, and they are being challenged on the far outside by Cal, and then trailing is Sacramento State. This is race number 29, the men's collegiate lightweight preliminary. All will move through to the final as MIT has just a slight bit of open water over Victoria. MIT in lane number 2, Victoria closest to the Shoreline in lane number 1. Then we have some open water back to UC Santa Barbara, and they have a slight bit of open water over Cal Berkeley, and Sacramento State is trailing. Looking at the front end of our race and continuing, almost going wire to wire, is MIT. They are in lane number 2 along the Shoreline. That's the University of Victoria. Then there's a lot of open water back to Santa Barbara and some open water to Cal, and following those 4 would be Sacramento State. As you hear the